Arthur Chen, better known by his Chinese name Chen Feiyu, is a Chinese-American actor. He is son to Chen Cage, a director, and Chen Hong, an actress. He attended Tabor Academy, an American preparatory school, and currently attends Beijing Film Academy. In 2017, he worked as assistant director with his father as director for the movie Legend of the Demon Cat. He debuted in 2010, portraying a young king in the film Sacrifice. As he is very young but her acting skills are beyond good. He is known for his role in the 2018 fantasy epic Evernight. The drama received positive reviews and Chen was awarded the Super IP New Actor at the China Literature Awards ceremony and the Best Actor in the Historical Drama category at the Wedding Awards. Chen gradually started to be in a rising period in his career. In 2020, Chen is set to star in the film Flowers Bloom in the Ashes directed by Chen Cage and fantasy wuxia drama Legend of Awakening. The same year, Chen was cast in the Shanzhe drama Immortality alongside Luo Yangzi, based on the novel The Husky and his white cat Shizan. He entered the Forbes China Celebrity 100 list for the first time, ranking 83rd. The nice-looking actor has already got success. In 2021, he has worked in movie Dreams Come True. In 2019, Chen starred in the youth campus romance film My Best Summer. He won the Best Newcomer Awards at the Tokyo International Film Festival and Macau International Film Festival for his performance. Chen is a young charming star who is trying to get fame and name at national and international level. Forbes China listed Chen under their 30 Under 30 Asia 2019 list, which consisted of 30 influential people under 30 years old who have had a substantial effect in their fields. In 2019, he has worked in movie My People, My Country. The same year, he has also worked in movie My Best Summer. In 2017, Chen made his official acting debut in the youth drama film Secret Fruit as the main lead. He released his first single The Secret Words as a promotional song for the film. In 2018, he worked in movie Don't Forget Your Original Heart. Chen's good looks are probably one of the first things that people notice about him, and his acting career isn't the only place where they are being put to good use.